Let's have a look on different types of Twitter ads for businesses. There are 3 different Twitter ad types as promote your brand, promote your video, and drive conversions. As the name suggests, if we are selecting promote your brand, we will be getting options as website clicks or conversions, increased number of followers, or to create a brand awareness, or just to see the tweet engagements or tweet promotions. Whereas if I click on promote your videos, this type of ads can help us to increase number of views of your videos. Whereas if I click on drive conversions, which will clearly help me to increase either my sales or my app installs or the relevant thing. According to the campaign categorizations, if I click on websites click or conversions, for both clicks and conversion campaigns, you promote tweets to people who you want to visit and take actions on your website. You are charged per click in both types of campaigns, but a conversion campaign has additional functionality to track conversions. Both of these type of campaigns allow you to include a website cards, which includes a preview of your website right in your tweet. Moving to the followers. For followers campaign, you promote your Twitter account and pay per follower you gain. Impressions and engagement are free. For awareness campaigns, you promote your tweets to a broad audience and pay for impressions. This is the only type of campaign where the Twitter ads pricing is based on impressions rather than engagements. So make sure your tweet is compelling enough to cause viewers to take some kind of actions. If we talk about tweet engagements, for tweet engagement campaigns, you promote tweets with a goal of starting conversations about your brand and pay only for the initial engagement with each user. You do not pay for impressions of your promoted tweet that do not result in engagement, and you do not pay for ongoing organic engagement with users who react to your tweet. Perhaps not surprisingly, a video views campaign aims to increase the number of users who view your videos. You promote your videos to a targeted audience and pay per video view. You pay once a user sees 2 seconds of playback in the timeline, clicks to watch in full screen, or unmutes the video. Lastly, app installs or re-engagements. For app installs or re-engagement campaigns, you promote your tweets to users who want to download your app or to users who have already downloaded your app but have not used it for a while. You can pay per app install or for both app installs and app opens depending on your goal. This type of campaign allows you to include an app card which shows a preview image for your app along with app's rating right in your tweet and gives users the option to open or install the app with one click. How to advertise on Twitter? Now that you understand the types of campaign you can choose from, let me proceed to how to get your first ad campaign up and running. Set up your first campaign. Head over to the Twitter Ads Manager. Let's suppose I click on Tweet Engagements. Create a campaign. Enter your campaign name. Start immediately and run continuously, which will run endlessly until unless you pause the campaign. Whereas set start and end dates, this will run a campaign for a particular period of time mentioned by us. Twitter offers a number of targeting options to help you choose the right audience for your ad and maximize your budget. You will start with geographic targeting, getting as specific as particular metro area or even the postal code. You can also target using languages, device platforms and carriers, keywords, followers, interest, tailored audiences, TV targeting, behaviors, event targeting, etc. The more detailed targeting options allow you to target based on the specific user's characteristics. Setting up the budget. You can set daily maximum and total campaign budgets for your ad campaign to control how much your Twitter ad costs. The interface will show you whether you will pay by impressions or engagement, so you can get a good sense of how much it's worth to pay for what's on offer. The interface will show suggested bids based on what others are paying, or you can check out Twitter's recommended bids for each type of campaign. Lastly, choose your creatives. Twitter will show you a list of your existing tweets you can choose to promote. If you prefer, you can choose to create a new date specifically for your ad. As you work, you will see a preview of your ad. Click on Publish campaign. By this, Tweet Engagements campaign will be launched. Twitter Ads Best Practices. Twitter Ads is to engage with people who are not already following you. You can't assume that people who see your ads will know what your business is all about. Use an image or some of the copy in your tweet to highlight your unique selling propositions so that people who see the tweet know why they should bother to click, follow, or otherwise engage. Include a clear call to actions. The key to any good ad is a great call to action, and Twitter ads are no different. Make sure users know exactly what you want them to do. A simple ask makes it much more likely that they will take action. Include cards. These powerful tools add extra functionality like websites preview, app installs, and lead collections to your promoted tweets, making the tweets more engaging and interactive for users. Twitter internal data shows that promoted tweets that include a website card, for instance, see a 43% higher engagement rate than promoted tweets with regular links. Lastly, choose a custom fit over one size fits all. Campaigns with different goals need different creative. Even campaigns with the same goals should differ based on the specific offer or idea you are promoting at the time. Likewise, if you target different groups of users, you should adjust your creative based on some competitive research to determine what is most likely to appeal to each users. That includes tweaking your ads based on geography, since what converts well in Chicago may not do so in Washington. After all this, let's have a look on Twitter success story. A watch company increased website traffic and sales with a Twitter ad campaign. MVMT Watches produces watches with leather and steel wristbands. Originally crowdfunded in 2013, this online business ships around the world. Campaign objective: MVMT Watches uses Twitter to inform its followers of news and updates and to share user-generated content. It also responds to its customers' questions on Twitter. To drive traffic to their website and subsequent sales during the busy holiday shopping period, they partnered with 3Q Digital to create a website clicks or conversions campaign on Twitter. If we talk about audiences, MVMT Watches targets a wide range of demographics but focuses on its core audience of men aged 18 to 34 in the US and in international markets such as UK and Australia. Their keys to success were: use website cards to capture attention on Twitter, showcase seasonal discounts to attract shoppers. During competitive holiday sales, days such as Black Friday and Cyber Monday, MVMT Watches used websites cards to maximize the traffic and sales it achieved from its Twitter ad campaigns. Websites cards see a 43% higher engagement rate compared to promoted tweets with links. Secondly, research has found 73% of the consumers are more likely to buy from a small business during the holidays if they see a sale, deal, or special on Twitter. MVMT Watches tapped into this audience by promoting their website seasonal deals and adding a sense of urgency by making it clear in their tweet copy that offers were for a limited time. As a result, 353% increase in sales on Black Friday and Cyber Monday as compared with the daily average. 189% increase in site traffic on Black Friday and Cyber Monday as compared with the daily average. That's all for the Twitter glossaries or Twitter history, Twitter success story, or how to create a campaign. Hope you understood the Twitter. Stay connected with Edunix to see more about social media marketing.